Mystery echoes in the ocean deep. What if the ocean hides secrets that defy explanation? In 1997, scientists detected an eerie sound called the Bloop, sparking theories of colossal unknown creatures and shifting glacial forces. Other mysterious tones like the Upsweep and metallic whispers from the Mariana Trench fuel passionate debates and wonder. Earlier studies linked sounds to shifting glaciers and underwater volcanic pulses, while rare calls from a 52 Hz whale stirred myths of solitude. Each sound challenges our understanding, urging scientists to keep searching for answers. Two scientific worlds converge, rigid data and the unknown magic of deep-sea life. Mysteries persist always. Every revelation deepens the mystery, leaving us with one burning, unforgettable question. What truly echoes beneath the waves and intensifies our yearning? Join us and uncover these hidden truths.